Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for spiritual and wellness products business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can create your website from here. So let's see templates. So for example, here you can choose the topic. So wellnesses and spiritual. So wellnesses isn't here, so you can describe your site from here. Spiritual and wellness products. Go. What are your job goals? Sell products. Now let's continue. How would you like to get started? Choose a professionally designed website templates or build a custom templates with Squarespace. So let's go with this. So here you can choose the topic from here. Sorry, you can choose the topic from here, and you can choose one of these templates and start with some of these templates here, and you can also build your own template. So let's get started. So here you can enter your site name, type any name for spiritual and wellness business, for example, like this. Here you're gonna build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So here you can choose the first section. The intro section must be an attractive section to attract people. So you have to try your best to make your sections, your website homepage attractive as you like. So for example, this for entry section, also the product section, all the sections must be in attractive sections. Here add page to your site, page to of shop. So here you can choose the color palette, so you can choose any color match with this business as you like. For example, this, choose a font. Also the font, you can choose any font to attract people. For example, this font, like this. Now let's continue. So here you can choose if you wanna continue and describe more your website, or if you wanna skip. I'm gonna skip this. So this is your home page right now. You can edit it from here if you wanna customize it. So the first text, you have to change it, this text here. For example, you can type welcome to our site for spiritual and wellness, like this. And here you can change also the text on this label. Just click here, and for example you can type shop now or wherever you like. That's it. If you want to add something on your home page, just click here, add section, and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page: images or videos or menus or forms, as you like. So that's it. So if you wanna add some background here, just click here and go to the background. You can add just a simple art if you want, and also you can add an image. Go here and search on spiritual and wellness. So you can choose one of these here if you want. For example, this. You can choose whatever you like. This is just for example, for an example to customize your site for spiritual business. You can also add a video if you want. Video on the background, just click here. You can select from your library, or if you wanna add a link from YouTube or wherever you like. That's it. You can edit here the image effect like this. So that's it. If you want to add something on your section, just click here. You can add another text or video or audio, button, image or map or line, as you like. So that's it. If you want to change the view, you can make it like a mobile view like this, or like a desktop view. You can move this section, you can move it down or move it up. You can save it from here on this heart icon, and also you can duplicate it from here. So that's it. So that's it for today. I'm gonna continue this on the second part of this video. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the second part of this video.